The next dance we're going to show you is the Quando Quickstep. Now it commences in ballroom hold, facing diag to the centre, commencing with a reverse cross into a progressive chassis. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Into a lock step, moving diag to the wall, and half of a natural turn. Slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, which finishes backing the line of dance. We're going to dance a back lock into a running finish, and slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. From here, we dance a natural spin turn to end backing diag to the centre. Slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, slow. So if I just show you those few bars. Ready, and slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, slow. We're now going to count a few from the very beginning, as far as we've gone. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, slow. So, I'd like to show you the next 4 bars solo so that I can explain about a fishtail. I commence with my progressive chassis, slow, quick, quick, slow. I'm going to check outside of my lady with the right foot, slow. Now a fishtail is where I cross behind, cross, walk, walk, cross. Into 2 walks and a natural hesitation to face diag centre. If I could show that with a partner, starting my right foot into a progressive chassis, slow, quick, quick, slow. My check in the fishtail, slow, quick, 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 slow, into a natural hesitation. Forward, side close, slow, slow, slow. So we're now going to show it to you right from the very beginning, and I'll count it in beats and bars. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 9, 2, 3, 4, 10, 2, 3, 11, 2, 3, 4, 12, 2, 3, 13, 2, 3, 4, 14, 2, 3, 4, 15, 2, 3, 4, 16, 2, 3, 4.